Hi, to hard reset your Vivo V40, we need to turn it off first. And for that, let's trigger the power off menu. So we would need to press and hold the power button on the right side and the volume up button on the right side as well. Let's hold them till we can see this menu. Here, select the power off, and when the screen will be completely turned off, we will need to hold again this type of combination, so power and volume up buttons. After that, we would enter this Fastboot Mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. So to scroll through the menu, use your volume down and volume up buttons, and to confirm the choice, press the power button. Here we need to select recovery mode, confirm the choice, and now the screen is off, so we are simply waiting till it will turn on again. And here we need to select to clear data. So just tap it, then select clear all data, and just be aware that it would bring your phone back to the factory settings, so you would need to set it up again. Now let's do it. Here you can see this pop-up warning that all data on the device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos, and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Process with caution. So, we need to confirm by pressing the OK button, and now we are clearing the data. So simply wait a couple of seconds till it will load to 100%. And now all data is cleared. We need to return back. And here return as well, and then select to restart the phone. Then tap the OK button, and now the screen will turn off and then turn on within a couple of seconds, and you will need to set up this phone once more. And that is how your phone will look after factory resetting the phone. So you would need to select language for the phone, region, and then set it up as brand new device. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.